Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make dollhouse furniture from cardboard. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need sturdy cardboard, perhaps from an old delivery box, along with sharp scissors or a craft knife. Don't forget a ruler for precise measurements, a pencil for marking, and strong craft glue to hold everything together. A cutting mat is also a great idea to protect your work surface. We are ready to begin our miniature crafting adventure. Now, let's plan our furniture. Before cutting, sketch out your design. Think about your dollhouse dimensions and the scale, typically 1/12. For example, a miniature table might be 2 inches tall. Carefully measure and mark your cardboard using a ruler and pencil. Accuracy is key for a professional finish. Double-check all lines before making any cuts to avoid waste and ensure everything fits perfectly. With your pieces marked, it is time to cut them out. Use your craft knife or scissors carefully, always cutting away from your body. For neat folds, gently score the cardboard along your fold lines with a dull knife before bending. Apply a small amount of strong craft, glue to the tabs or edges you want to join. Hold the pieces together firmly for about 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Patience is important as the glue dries. Finally, let's add those charming finishing touches. Once all glue is completely dry, paint your furniture using acrylic paints. Consider adding tiny fabric scraps for cushions or upholstery, giving your pieces a cozy feel. Small beads can serve as drawer pulls or tiny buttons for decorative accents. A clear varnish or sealant will protect your beautiful creations and give them a polished, professional look. Enjoy your custom-made miniature masterpieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.